Hey guys, welcome back. This is Side Income Dad.
Hey everybody, this is the channel.
Welcome back, everybody. This is Migz.
All right, guys. So sorry we missed you yesterday. We were kind of working on a couple things. We were a little busy, but here we are making it up for you today.
Yes, sir. Let's bring it.
Yeah.
We're also gonna introduce a new format, and we'd love your feedback. So I'm gonna start off with that. Today, you're gonna see what we plan to do in the future, but we want to make sure that all of you out there approve it. So first of all, we're gonna go through our estimates the way we normally do. That hasn't changed, but we do plan on changing it next week. So let's just go through real quick. This is Group A. That means we're gonna give estimates for Tesla and Snowy. And so Tesla, as you guys can see, this is how they did. They actually did quite well. Income per share at $2.63. Because of that, my estimate is going to be at 79 cents, the high estimate.
Nice.
9 cents. Whoop, whoop. I'm got a little higher.
Tesla. Tesla.
Let's go. Go with 86 cents. 86 cents.
86. I'm gonna say closer to $1. So
Mm,
like 91.
91. Oh,
91 cents.
Okay, okay.
The way Tesla has been doing.
They've been doing great.
Ew. And look at all that synthetic, 414 million.
Oh man, it was nice.
those are robo-taxi money right there.
Nice, nice. All right, guys, let us know in the chat what you think the estimate is going to be for Tesla. I'm going to swap over to Snowy. See how they did. All right, well, it turns out like they also have income per share in the positive.
Mhm.
We don't have these estimates, so I'm gonna go over and take a look at what they did in distributions.
What to be empty.
All right, so what do we got? Dollar 13. Okay. I am going to say
Kind of all over.
that yeah, they've been a little bit all over the place.
Yeah.
But based on that price, I think it's gonna be more around like I'm gonna go with 86 cents for this one.
What?
Yeah.
Hmm. Make a buck one.
Okay.
Full of Misty? Are you full of Misty?
A buck one.
I don't know. I think it's gonna be less. Let's go with 3/4, 75 cents.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. There we go.
Boo.
Jen did
Well,
not like that estimate.
keeping it real, keeping it real, guys.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna kind of go into what we have thought moving forward with the channel. This is kind of what we're hoping to do. So give us the feedback on what you think. We would start off kind of by showing you these different graphs. And so, it's probably best maybe let's start with this. So like last week, if we look at single tickers that paid last week, I say single tickers because all these are based on just one stock. We can kind of see the yield that they paid out last week. And they all pay different days of the week. But as we can see here, Koi did the best at
Uh,
almost 3%. Ooh, what do you guys think about that?
I love it. I feel like I have all of those funds except the
Whoa, whoa,
MSTR
whale.
and
That's
Koi.
pretty
Damn.
cool. No,
yeah.
that's cool.
Where's Tessie? We're missing that one.
Uh,
Should have put those instead of MSTR.
I thought it was on there. Maybe I didn't capture a distribution from them or something.
All right.
Yeah, you're talking about Tessie with the double I's, right?
No, double
Or
Y. Just
the
like
double
Koi,
Y
double
one.
Y.
Okay,
Yeah,
gotcha.
yield boost.
Yeah, maybe it's not there. We'll take a look and make sure we add that. So yeah, again, like this is kind of to show what they did last week. They're a little bit all over the place, actually.
Mhm.
Um, like it's kind of interesting to see that these two represent the same fund, but
Hmm.
one of them is like like one of the lowest paying, and then the other one was like pretty decent pay.
Who is
That's
that one from? The Koi or is
Rex.
it Rex?
Yeah, Rex shares.
very interesting. I guess it's the different strategies, right? It's kind of how they break down.
Yep.
Um, I
Yeah.
guess another view that I really wanted to show is this view here of all of the funds that are diversified. So we kind of put them all together. These are the weekly payers. And as you can see, OT was the one with the biggest distribution, 1.69.
Whoop.
What are you guys' thoughts on this?
I mean, looking at that, I'm glad I have a lot of OT. So it
I'll
makes
take
me,
it.
yeah, yeah.
Once again, I feel like I have one, two, three, four,
Whoa, with the
four funds.
buffet, huh?
Four funds are there. That's not
Wow.
bad.
You
That's
better need those
50%
crazy.
glasses.
almost.
Yeah, don't take those glasses off because I know where you live.
So,
Uh,
as we kind of look at all these different funds, we wanted to show what they've been doing over the last 90 days. Because I think total return is probably the best way for us to look at a lot of these funds. Um, and and I guess one of the things that stands out here is Ulti. We just saw Ulti paying almost a 2% per week,
mhm.
or at least for last week, right? But when we look at their total return, they're kind of like, not that high. They end up here actually, the one that dipped right here. And so they're literally second to last when it comes to the group. So this is one of the things that we wanted to highlight. I feel like we haven't been capturing in our like overviews. So yeah, that the yield looks really nice, but you're also dealing with NAV erosion. So now that you guys see this graph, what's your reactions to this?
I'm glad I have some blogs. NWFA.
Yeah, yeah,
It just goes to
Disney
show,
YMAG. Dang.
yeah, it's um it's pretty important, right? I think yeah, the total return is definitely, I mean, that's the overall end goal. In my opinion, it's just like that's what what I want at the end of the day, right? Trying to achieve that total return. But as you look at Ulti, it's just fairly, it's going up, but it's just not that drastic like anything else, right? Not like that blocks.
yeah.
But, I mean, I have block, but damn, it just makes me kind of like want to chop some now and then, kind of diversify more into other funds like blocks and WPay. Why
Indeed.
pretty cool too. So yeah, it's super interesting. The comparison from the two graphs, I mean, I really like it.
It's crazy because if you only see one side of the picture, right? Like that distribution side, like I think it's very natural to want to get some more ulti,
Yeah.
which quite frankly, that's kind of why I'm showing you guys this is because that's what I did. Like I have so much ulti. And looking at this is really making me rethink it and want to rebalance into some of these other funds. By the way, it's kind of crazy. I just got I got the thing on my phone that BLOX just paid me their dividend.
Um,
How come
So
I haven't
that's
gotten paid?
so that was kind of cool. I guess a coincidence, but yeah. Okay, so now this
Oh
is
wait,
kind of the diversified funds of the ones that I think are like, probably decent ones to invest in. Not financial advice. I'm just talking about my opinion of what I might be going into. What are you guys' thoughts? Are these decent choices? Were there some in here that I should have had that I didn't?
I think the YMAX, right?
You like YMAX?
I mean, because based off the total return, YMAX is third.
They're the lowest, actually.
So I can't tell those colors apart.
Yeah. So actually, that's fine, right? We should
your
probably
glasses,
cover
bro.
it.
Take off
Hold on.
your
Hold
They're
on.
too dark, man. All right, so we'll cover that, right? So at the very top, we got blocks. The next one after that is YMAG. The next one after that is YSPY. Then we have QDTE. And then these are the weird colors, but this is actually Maggie. And then kind of tied is WPay and YMAG. And then Ulti. And then the last one is YMAX.
Oh,
Yeah.
jeez.
And I also want to say, like, WPay is pretty new, right? Like it literally just started right here. And it kind of came out the gates going up pretty good. So we'll
Back
see how
there.
that one performs over time.
But at least the trend is like they're all kind of going up.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, they do sort of follow each other, right? It's just how
Yeah.
much.
Yep.
And again, here we can kind of see a different view of that. All I did was just take some out. Yeah. So again, to put in the comments, like, is this helpful to see or not? We also kind of wanted to show it in a more table fashion. This table has pretty much every fund we could think of. And then
Mm.
it's pretty much listed by total return. So right now, Defiance with
Did you get
hooks.
all those funds from my my income proof?
Maybe such a whale. I don't doubt that you you have them all. Um, but yeah, I mean, like, maybe we can. I'm gonna ignore hooks just because it looks like they haven't given a dividend this year.
Yeah, they don't. Not
Um,
yet.
but look at these top five, right? It's very Tesla heavy. Got
Very
some
tough.
Robinhood and Plady as well. But look, even number six is Tesla. Like
Ah.
clearly they've kind of gone on a really nice run. And again, this also looks back 90 days. So we're always going to be showing you the last 90 days. Kind of interesting, yeah?
Very. I think anyone that's bullish on Tesla is think you got to drill a little piece into all these funds here.
Oh,
It
yeah.
just, I mean, for me, I see it. It's eventually going to break that all-time high. So just imagine if, I mean, it had a good run, right? I think about last week, sorry, or a couple weeks ago, that nice big run. So, but you guys just imagine when it breaks that all-time highs. Ooh, I think it could be real spicy, real
It's going to
spicy.
be nice. Yeah, these
When
leverage
do you
funds are
think
going to
that's
pay
gonna
off.
happen?
I want to say we're gonna get pretty close by the end of the year, if not break it by the end of the year. Just my
Mm.
opinion, not financial advice. You
I
know,
I
I
think depending on next month, it's a quarters already. No.
uh
Don't they have a report coming out in October?
yeah. So I'm pretty sure the numbers are gonna look great because they had that the tax incentive ending. So a
Yeah,
bunch of
September 30.
they're
Tomorrow.
out like crazy. So it's gonna give some. That alone in itself, I feel like it's going to give it, as long as we stay stable right now, I think what we're at like 440 or something for Tesla. So all-time high is what, like 480-ish. So another $40 more. I'm feeling like Tesla could jump right uh 10, 12%. So that alone is like 20, $30 easily. So
Yeah, I
yeah.
think by next month it could easily
If
go on a
Nolan,
little
yeah,
run.
if Elon stays away from Trump and don't play, don't
That's a big if.
I
It
think
is a big hit.
yeah. So man, yeah, like I said, if it could, stay around this 440, 420 range and not dip very hard and those delivery numbers comes out crushing it, I think that's gonna be great. They do have a lot of catalysts coming, so RoboTaxi is expanding, so I think that's gonna be real juicy soon.
Going to keep them going for sure.
Yeah, so definitely open my eyes to definitely because I do have a lot of growth for Tesla, so I
When it
don't
hits
want
80H, are you gonna sell some?
we listen, and we don't judge.
We don't judge.
But yeah,
How about you, Migz? Any of these top ones that you don't have that you might want to add now that you see them here?
Let's see. No, I feel like I'm comfortable because I have TSLW, who, PLTW. I don't have Tesla, but I don't know. I have the other ones, Tessie.
Yeah, you kind
I
of
still
like
have a lot of Palladium. which depending how they do next week, I might trim it or get out of it completely
Gotcha. Okay,
and
depending on
jump
their
into
payment.
more of the diversified funds.
Yeah, that makes sense. At
You
least
hold a lot of the single funds mix.
Gonna
Most
what?
you hold a lot of the single funds.
A good amount, but not heavy.
Okay, just
Yeah.
okay. Seems like yeah, you're nicely diversified, but you're not heavy into those.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
yeah, I
mean,
gotta bring up, like, look at this. Blocks being diversified, it's literally the first one that you see out of all the diversified funds. I think that speaks a lot, man, for that fund. They got
well,
a
Yeah, I
good
think
thing going.
let's go back to that chart, that blocks chart, that real
Sure.
quick. I mean, this one, with blocks way up there, right? It was something that when I saw it, it kind of clicked that, it's blocks is mainly crypto, right? I think Bitcoin and Ethereum mainly.
It's half and half. It also holds a bunch of different securities.
The separation from, all the market stock funds, right?
Like
That's
it,
not.
it holds Robinhood. It holds, I
Mhm.
think they hold Coinbase. I don't remember exactly all their holdings, but I know it's like a half and half type of thing.
Just looking at the big separation from the traditional.
they
Um,
hold Galaxy, Robinhood, Riot, Iron, Hut,
Oh
Taiwan
yeah,
Semiconductor,
see all
Nvidia,
of that.
Coinbase, Mara. Then they hold a lot.
Yeah, they hold quite a bit. So it's a nice mix. I would say it's probably one of the first funds that I see that holds both, right? Crypto and like regular securities,
hmm,
which is
yeah.
nice. I like that.
So I mean, I think we're just at the breaks of, um, this bull run for crypto. So just imagine it. October, they're saying it's like 2x at least. So I think Blocks is gonna kill it for October,
Well, I hope
November.
so because I got a nice little position with them. So
Why I'm looking to
Well,
getting real itchy to chop and get in there now. So, but yeah, it looks good. But you know, just beware of that bear market though after.
let me know when you go
always
in so I can
hurts.
get the dip.
But yeah, I like this graph, man. We did a great job.
Yeah. Good good thing we
Indeed.
took yesterday off to work on this.
Oh, snap.
What we've been working on, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
All right, so again, like let us know what you think. You've seen our other videos. You saw kind of the approach that we take. This is kind of the style we'd like to move in towards. Um, and I guess now we can jump into income proof.
I mean, they can also let us know if they have other ones that they feel should be on that list or they want to look at too.
put it
Yeah,
in the chat, guys. Whatever that's not being shown here, and you guys are interested in, and think we should, cover it or have it on here.
yeah,
Definitely put it. Let us know.
absolutely. All right, so income proof. This one was mine. I already started trimming some stuff, so look, I'm down to three right now.
Wow.
Um, 3,900. I don't know what the Nemo picture.
Oh,
OT. Okay, okay. I see someone's trimming as well. And then
yeah.
of course the whale,
Someone is not tripping.
Someone is adding.
There's
Whoa,
another
whoa,
page. Hold
whoa.
on. There's another page.
I need to keep scrolling here.
I'm gonna plug in my GoFundMe. Come on, plug it in for the channel. Come on, guys. Come on, GoFundMe. Can I get some super chat? Come on.
Okay. Well, I mean, there's our numbers, right? Since that was the last one of the month. So got 13,262 for Migz, 12,146 for Chanimal, 17,183 for me. And that's that.
Yeah. Again, guys, we love to, let us know what you guys are getting. I mean, I love to hear it. Want to see what other what fund you guys are into, and also how much you guys are getting a month, a week, a day. If you're like, like Migz that wants to get paid daily,
Yes, he does.
every day. Oh, Migz.
Yeah, I think I have every single day now.
Dang.
Wow, look at this
Blocks
guy.
for Monday.
Yeah.
How much?
Yield Bulls, I think it's on Tuesday. And then I have one, I can W
W
pay for
pay.
Wednesday,
Yeah.
BCCC for Thursday, and OC for Friday.
There
There
you
you
go.
go.
Where's my 2 week notice?
That's right.
Just kidding.
You're my idol.
Yeah, and I'll tell you what, just put it in the chat. Put like either put old, the word old, if you like the old style, or put new if you like the new style. A- and I guess if for those that still, if everybody wants the newer style and people still would like to see the older style, we can always just take a screenshot and just post it on YouTube as a post. And that way people can still see our estimates. I think that'd be a good way of not making it go away and still providing that information. But this, yeah, we are like heavily leaning towards this new view, but we do want to hear the feedback.
Yep.
Sure do. Sure do. Just real quick, just want to give a quick shout out to Migz for being on that little podcast with Rod and who was the other one? Parabolic
Yep.
on it was the space, I think.
Yep.
So if you
Yeah,
guys haven't seen that, definitely check that out. I think we could leave the link. We still have the link, right?
Yep,
But
we do.
cool. So shout out to Rod, man, for
yeah,
engaging and giving us some recognition. We appreciate that.
absolutely. It totally feels full circle too. And we've kind of talked about it in the past. Like Rod is the reason why I started investing. It was
Yeah.
Rod's videos that I showed to these guys to get them to kind of dive into it as well. So I'm a huge fan. I'm very grateful,
We are.
and the fact that Miggs was out there representing us is a big deal. So thank you.
I think we should bring Rod in because we need someone to sing. So,
Yes, sir.
Rod, if you're listening, if you like to sing on the show, just let us know.
She takes my money.
Hey, bro, you're trying to take his job. Relax. Why coming at him sideways?
Oh shit.
That's trademark. That's his trademark, bro.
Yeah,
Don't
no,
do it.
no.
Don't sue me.
Hey, that
That's
was with full respect, Rod. No, we were not trying to like dupe that at all.
yeah, we just trying to make bank, bro.
Yeah.
Nothing. Yeah. Cool. Well, yeah, thanks everyone for joining us. Again, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you very much. This is probably going to be the end of it for today. We'll catch you again next week on our usual schedule.
Yep.
All right, guys, have a good one. Peace.
Thanks everyone for coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share if this was helpful for you.